So today in Opua is new trampoline day. On a gray, rainy day in Opua, it's time to replace the trampoline. There's my old tramp, or my new trampoline, and you can see my old one is ripping here, 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 there, there. Anywhere you see a little fur ball, it's ripping. Anyway, a trampoline is a pretty important thing on a catamaran like mine. If you're standing out there and you fall through, it's bye-bye. So this is from Opua canvas, and we have to take this one out and put this one in. Stay tuned. Okay, the rain's over for now anyway. While it was raining, I went up and I bought some new cord, and now we're gonna take it apart some more. I think I've come to the conclusion that I'm not gonna save the line, and I'm just gonna cut the shite out of it and just scrap the rope because it's a little bit too hard to work. So I'm just gonna get a sharper knife and start my destruction. Oops. That wasn't supposed to happen. There we go. It's coming out. There we go. It's gone. And the old girl's back there on the dock, ready for the dump. She served us well. But I think that most of the Lagoon canvas and anything to do with materials, our interior, anything with a fabric was really poorly made and didn't last very long. We've reupholstered the interior because it just wore out. Like, how's that possible? We didn't get the Lagoon surround because we heard that they were inferior, and from what we've seen, we're really glad we didn't get it. And the trampoline, well, 5 years, that's not acceptable really. But it's a production boat. You get what you pay for. It's not a gunboat. Anyway, okay, it's time to try to put the new one in. Well, this is what they call the dry fit, and it's on the boat, but it's only held on with tie wraps. So I've got it tie wrapped all across the front and a couple of down the back, and now the fun begins. We've got to rope it off. The rope-a-dope. Wish me luck.
Okay, here's the completed tramp. Nicely tied by Scott along the railings there, and fits really well. And as you can see, our tramp is offset a little bit because of the anchor. And some committee flags come aboard because we're helping with a regatta. But here it is, the trampoline all done.
So we're in Opua, New Zealand, and we're getting ready to haul Muskoka out. This time we're going to be hauling out on a fairway on a rail car, and we just got the go ahead that we're ready to go, so we're heading in to get hauled out. And new bottom paint. It's supposed to be short, 3 days, so here we go. Enjoy the haul out. So we're at the waiting dock, getting ready to haul out. Morning. And the sun is starting to come out, which is great. And there's Muskoka. I-24. I think we're next. The travel lift has a sailboat and they're cleaning him off, and we're going to go on to the railway. So there's the railway, and they've already installed there's pads that our keels will sit on. They've already installed them, so we're good to go. Just probably the guys that are spraying the boat right now are the guys that are going to be pulling me out, so here we go. We are waiting.
Scott's turning your boat around before we haul out. We're on J dock right now, and I'm moving the small boat back, and we're turning around and going in. Okay, here we go. Muskoka's all tied up and ready to be pulled in. That is one dirty haul.
Hello.
Hi! You're off the boat now. Oh, you're in the frame. Don't worry.
Hello. Don't look at my haul.
It's really dirty.
Don't look.
Wow.
Don't look. So I'm out on the hard. This is my view, my new view for next few days. There's Paul. So that guy's the guy you want to know. He's the marina manager. He's a bloody nice guy. So we're on the hard, and while we're on the hard, we're having the bottom paint done. I'm putting in new through hulls. The stock through hulls from Lagoon are substandard. Ripping them out, putting in putting in 1 inch True Design Torlon, Morlon, I don't know, and pulling out the old ones. And this is The old through hole is coming out. And suffice to say, the other end of that was pretty ugly. Ready to go. So good thing I did it. And a little bit of work done to the lower units. The sail drives have a scored bearing on one of the thrust bearings, so I got to get it fixed. And new seals for the sail drives. I'll have them lapped while they're out. And what else was I going to do? Oh, I guess that's it. Oh, I'm going to prop speed the props. That's it. Back in the water in 3 days. Maybe 4.